Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Hamilton Beach 58870 blender. The 2.0 peak horsepower motor powers stainless steel blades to speeds over 105 miles per hour to blast through ice, frozen fruit, and other tough ingredients in just seconds. With rubber-mounted components, a motor designed with optimal airflow and a removable shield, this blender is engineered to reduce noise during blending. The quiet shield can also be used as a serving pitcher. Effortlessly create perfectly blended smoothies, juice whole fruits and vegetables, puree hot soups, emulsify dressings and grind spreads. With a variable speed dial, you control the blending to achieve restaurant quality results every time. Or choose pre-programmed smoothie, ice crush or puree settings for one-touch convenience. A tamper is included to help blend thick or frozen mixtures. The clean setting makes washing your jar a breeze, and all parts are dishwasher safe. Keep your conversation going regardless of what you're blending. The quiet shield reduces the amount of noise from your blender when placed over the jar, plus it doubles as a serving pitcher. It's also perfect for carrying ice from the freezer to the blender. Airflow around the motor and rubber-mounted components also helps to dampen noise during blending. Our second best quiet blender is Want-Join Professional Commercial Blender. Want-Join Quiet and Soundproof Shield Professional Blender reduce noises and also no splatter and leaking while you're blending. This heavy-duty commercial blender adopts with big volume pitcher 80 ounces which suitable for family and party. And easy dealing with smoothie, ice cream, salsa, sauce, nuts, hummus, shakes and baby food and fitness persons. Want-Join Professional Countertop Blender use powerful blade and 2200 watts motor together with dual direction blade technology for powerful blending and consistent energy. High-speed professional countertop blender for shakes and smoothies 38,000 RPM. Built-in pulse and 15 speeds control. For your selections. Want-Join Industry Strong Power Blender adopts exquisite outlook and a shield cover, helpful to escape from noise and meet demands for restaurants, hotels, snack shops, cafes, coffee shops, bars, anywhere that would benefit from a relaxing, customer-focused environment will get satisfaction from the blender. Want-Join blender leave a feeding hole in the top of the shield cover and also leave a lid for that. Easy to put material ingredients from the top lid. The tamper fits through lid to help blending denseness ingredients. This powerful blender comes with overheat protection and self-cleaning design. Release your hand. For details, let's watch more. Third choice in our list is Magic Bullet Blender. Magic Bullet 11-piece set blender and food processor for kitchen with over 40 million bullets sold. Make it fast by keeping it simple. Your personal kitchen food processor and blender assistant. Do it all with high-speed blender and mixer system. Chop, mix, blend, whip, grind, and mince. Handy, versatile and easy to use, the Magic Bullet blender and food processor takes up minimal counter space while showcasing maximum speed and versatility. With its unique design and compact size, the Magic Bullet blender and food processor chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more in less time than it takes to assemble standard kitchen appliances. Make the perfect smoothies and milkshakes, frozen cocktails, and pureed soups super easily. And with a wide array of dishwasher-safe attachments, cleanup is as easy as it gets. The secret to the Magic Bullet's time-saving efficiency is its specially designed blade and unique bullet shape. These features work together to quickly and forcefully circulate food back into the cyclonic cutting zone, allowing the Magic Bullet to do virtually any food prep task in seconds. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. The stainless steel blades power through ice, frozen fruits and leafy greens for consistently smooth results whether you're making a fast protein-packed smoothie for breakfast or a refreshing frozen margarita to wind down at the end of the day. Get the maximum nutrient extraction from whole foods while choosing your own favorite fresh and frozen ingredients. Blend fruit smoothies, shakes and your favorite icy drinks right in the 14 ounces BPA-free travel jar, then grab it and go. The blender jar comes with a travel lid to double as a go cup. It's portable, lightweight and fits in most car cup holders. Durable stainless steel blades power through ice, frozen fruits and leafy greens for consistently smooth results. Perfect for adding more vitamins and nutrients into your diet in smoothies and protein shakes. The blending jar, blades and travel lid are all dishwasher safe so cleaning up is a breeze. The small size of the blender makes it perfect for the home, office, travel, small dorms and apartments. Quickly prepare smoothies, shakes, icy drinks, and more by just pressing the button. It's so easy. The blending jar is durable and BPA-free. Measuring lines on the front of the jar eliminate the need for extra measuring cups or guesswork. Last in our top 5 best quiet blender list is cranddi K90 Commercial Blender. cranddi K90 blender is come with a thickened soundproof shield cover to reduce the noise to less 70 dB and avoid any splatter or leaking while blending. cranddi Quiet Commercial Blender has large 80 ounces capacity, designed specifically for blending up large quantities of smoothies, shakes, or other drinks. cranddi K90 motor produces 3 horsepower max 2,200 watt of power, 38,000 RPM can even turn ice cubes into snowflakes. The 6-leaf 3D blades assembly and dual direction technology create a vortex blending effect. Built-in pulse and automatic shut-off smart technology. 15 speeds control. Cover height, 19.8 inches. This smoothie blender is designed to do not only the basic functions that a household blender can perform, but also can pass as food processor and juice maker. It's very tall. Doesn't fit on counter under cabinet. cranddi K90 pitcher is made of food-grade plastic with 5.0 mm thickness that practically unbreakable. The pitcher sensor protects the engine and your safety. Self-cleaning help you release your hand, just add a drop of dish soap and water then pulse. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.